And don't you have an incentive to try to differentiate from your competitors, which would mean either sophisticated AI model contextualization or some type of personalization with human curation or something like that? It would be, I've thought about this, like if basically every company used the same marketing agency, basically. You would never do that. Like everybody used exactly the same marketing agency and you got like roughly similar brand campaigns coming out of the same marketing agency. Like nobody would do that. But in some sense, if everybody's using exactly the same AI model, you're sort of all, running everything through this central genericizer. Is that compelling for businesses? Do they think about that or don't care?
I think it depends on who you talk to in the business, because right now what we've seen are a lot of C-suite members have read something in Business Insider and say, oh, this is great. This is going to solve all our problems. And they don't understand that. And then you get the low teams saying this really matters. And you get people in between with differing levels of awareness. I think it is a compelling argument if they understand that, but it's often an uphill battle to get them to realize that it's not going to solve everything perfectly.
If you don't understand Korean, you put something through a translation engine, whether it's an LLM or if it's a machine translation engine, and it comes out in Korean characters. Well, it may look great, and you think, well, why it's translated to Korean? It may be absolute garbage, and you don't know that unless somebody who understands it can read it and read it thoroughly and say, yes, this is correct, or no, it's not.
Yeah, I think this is an instance of it's sort of an instance of, is there going to be one big frontier LLM that dominates and everybody just uses that? Or are there contextualized AI models that are specific to different businesses, different use cases? I happen to be very much I think that these systems are fundamentally computers. And so you're going to have different form factors of them, just like you have different form factors of computers. You have mobile phones, you have laptops, you have data centers. I think you'll have something like that. So there's you're going to have different AI models that are contextualized to different use cases, which would be an argument against, let's just give everybody GPT-4 or whatever integrated into all their systems. And that's what everybody uses in every business across the whole economy.